This is the third method of liver scan. We will explain right subcostal scan. This is a method to scan the probe under the right subcostal. Starting by looking at portal vein, in the first place, while scanning like this, it gently descends to the bottom. Down here right subcostal, put the probe at 7 o'clock like this, while giving an angle toward the head, scan while adjusting the force, then an image like this will come out. The portal vein is connected like this on this side, and the branches on the left side are connected in this way. Moving in the right lobe, especially among portal veins. If you explain the branches of portal vein that move toward the right posterior lobe, the one that goes to the upper front will be the right posterior lobe, and going down is going to be portal veins branches. Going posteriorly is the branches going to the right posterior lobe. A part of the diaphragm is shown here. Through the right subcostal scan, the right posterior lobe becomes a segment that can be seen well. Let's practice based on what we have learned so far. This is a subcostal scan practice. Subcostal scan is on the central transverse to image the portal vein, digging under the right rib. As you slowly descend the probe to the right. So here you can see where the portal vein splits. Now in this state. Now this is where the portal vein runs. The branches leading to this will be the branches going to the lower part of the posterior lobe. In the portal vein, it becomes posterior-inferior branches. Going here will be the branches going to the upper posterior lobe. That is, the posterior-superior branches. So we looked at the process of starting the portal vein from the center and going to the posterior branches.